People on the Douro Valley are really connected to the land. We do everything we can to keep the ecosystem balanced.
This company started with my grandfather in 1977. My father started to running the business by himself.
We work a lot for brands like Pull & Bear, Zara, Bershka. For them we produce around 100,000 t-shirts per week.
I traveled by South America, and during this travel I was very connected with the nature. When I returned, I decided to make something different. I started NUA, and NUA has two pillars. Everything is sustainable, and we were inspired by people. Our products are made from recycled cotton, recycled polyester and organic cotton. We only use digital printing because it's water inks. We don't have to use chemicals in our products.
When we first contacted Kornit, it was very easy to create the partnership that we have now. The Avalanche really helped us to more faster, more ecologic. We basically don't have minimum qualities to produce.
We made to order. Without these machines, it wouldn't be possible. If we are sustainable, we don't have to create more garbage or more waste or use more resource. We have to keep the only house we have, that is our planet.